Welcome to Dirtbusterz, where we transform roofs and brighten homes with our top-notch high-pressure cleaning services. Just look at these incredible transformations. Our expert team is dedicated to removing algae, moss and lichen, giving your roof a fresh, new look. Our trained professionals are the best in the business. At Dirtbusterz, we invest in our team, ensuring they have the skills and knowledge to handle any roof cleaning challenge. We use state-of-the-art high-pressure cleaning equipment, designed to deliver powerful, efficient, and safe cleaning results. Our tools ensure that every inch of your roof is thoroughly cleaned, restoring its original beauty. At Dirtbusterz, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We offer free gutter, window, and wall cleaning with every roof cleaning purchase, adding even more value to our exceptional service. Ready to transform your roof and brighten your home? Contact Dirtbusterz today and experience the difference. Call us now or visit our website to book your appointment. Dirtbusterz, professional roof cleaning at its best.